Well, I'm just here with one of our amazing guests, Roberta. And Roberta's been coming since I was a little girl, around when I was 13 or 14 that she started coming here. So I just want to ask you why you continued to come back and why you love the New Valley so much.
First of all, it's just such a beautiful place. I mean, it's hard to describe it. It's just stunning, and the staff are incredible. I think a resort is a resort is a resort. The thing that makes it stand out always are the people and the care and attention. And you've done such a wonderful job, Giselle, with employing great people who come from the heart.
Yes,
passionate.
So
you can tell. The food is just so healthy and delicious. It's a great place to achieve your goals, whatever they may be. This time, for me, I was so stressed and so challenged after a really difficult couple of years. I just needed to reset, come back to my health and to me. And find myself again. I wasn't quite sure where I put myself. So being able to come back here and just have some nurturing, some pampering, I feel so much better. In just a few short days, I really do feel so much better than I did.
I hope to welcome you back again soon.
Thank you
for coming.